we're going to install the Spigen Easy Fit glass screen protector for the S24 ULTRA. And with these, I feel like you want to get it's got a thing in it, like a guide. You can see on there. That comes with it. This is a 2-pack. This is kind of scary. And the main thing is getting all the dust where it's not on there. Yeah. What the freak is going on here? Okay. That's going to be for bubbles. So it's got a 2-piece. See, and I don't know if you can buy any. Oh, this is one for each one. Wow. Okay, we are definitely going to read the instructions on this. Let me show them to you here. Looks like there's a barcode. Scan QR to remove bubbles on there. And I will look at these very carefully, and we will be right back.
The one thing he used the instructions for.
Yeah, I don't want to mess this up. I've got 2 of them, and you can tell this is an expensive kit here. So we'll read the instructions real good. We'll get the cleaning stuff out, and then we'll be right back. All right, here's the cleaning kit. And one good thing is we just got an air purifier, and it has been working awesome. So cleaning wipe, microfiber. So there's 2 of them. I just hope this is the same as the case I've got. I just hope it doesn't interfere with the case. As good as I can. All right, then use your microfiber. Then use your microfiber. Till you feel, make sure you feel like it's all off there and it's smooth.
5 hours later.
5 hours later. This is very important. You don't even know. Okay, I've got a reflection going over here, and I'm looking in there, and I'm looking for any dust. I see no dust. Any little thing of dust. I don't see any at all. You're going to take this. This is the top. Okay, we're going to stick it over this. Put it on there really good. After we made a mistake here. And that's a good mistake because there's dust on that. And they come with these little sticky things to get the dust back off, but I like to just wipe it. I don't want that residue on my screen. Okay, I do not see any dust. We're going to take that away from it just a little bit. We're going to take this off. And that's actually, I want to say that was actually a good mistake because just practice that move. This little move here. Okay, put it on like that. You're going to press this side and slide over like that. And it says, I'm going to do it twice. Actually, I'm going to do it 3 times. I don't care.
It says to wait 30 seconds.
Then we're going to wait 30 seconds to remove here. So we're just waiting. And then it says whole sticker. I don't know why it says whole sticker. It should say remove sticker. We will fast forward this a little bit. 30 seconds later. All right.
Drum roll, please.
So this tape is just basically holding that on there.
I have to tell you, I've never seen something so fancy.
Well, I'll tell you what, I don't know how good it works because I see a big bubble right there.
Well, it gave you a bubble tool.
All right. Then you remove that and re-register after installing the screen protector. That must be your fingerprint. So we removed the sticker, the thumb thing, took the thing off, and now we're going to remove the protection film. So that's going to be this right here. Oh good, the bubble was just under there. Sad face, look at this big bubble. So that's why they include this right here. We're just going to take it out right there. There it went. Take this one out over here. We're going to work the inside out. Inside out. Inside out. Just keep working it around. That's actually where you can learn how to do this, but this is how they all are. It's so hard to get these edges. You guys can't see it, but it's perfect except for little bitty. Most people ain't gonna care except for me, so I'm so picky on these screen protectors. This is how you get a perfect screen protector. This is how you do it perfectly. Look how beautiful that is. And I'll go back and I'll mess with the edges more, but that is just very nice.
I see you.
I see you. And I'm gonna wait, let that sit before I try my thing off. It's the same brand. It looks like there's plenty of room for it on there. It looks like we're gonna be good. I'm gonna let it sit on there probably, I don't know, probably 10 minutes before I put that on there. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.